In this video, we'll demonstrate how to upload YouTube Shorts to YouTube directly from your PC or Mac. But before we dive into the process, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to share your YouTube Shorts from your computer. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Now, let's get started. First, let's make sure your video meets the requirements for a YouTube Short. Your video needs to be in a vertical format, so it can't be a regular horizontal video. It has to be less than 60 seconds in length. Now, let's upload your YouTube Short. Go to YouTube, press Create, and Upload. You can either select a file or drag and drop it if you already have it on your computer. While it's uploading, give it a title, and you can add optional hashtags if you like. The description can be left blank. Ensure that the video link reads youtube.com/shorts, as long as it's vertical and less than 60 seconds. You can also add the video to a playlist and set your audience preferences. Tags are optional, but you can add them if you wish. If you're part of the monetization program, you can turn on monetization here. Then, proceed by setting up any end screens or elements you prefer. On the next page, you can make the video public immediately, leave it unlisted, set it to private, or schedule it for later. For this example, let's make it public. Finally, press the Publish button, and your YouTube Short will be live. You can see the video on your YouTube channel. That's it. Your YouTube Short is now available for the world to see. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. And remember, you can find more tutorials on our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thanks for watching.